Hey, what's up, y'all? Today's more of a vlog type video. I'm just finishing washing up the four-wheeler. I got something coming in the mail today. Dad is over there working on his trailer. About to try out this stuff I got from Stage Pro Power Sports. Let y'all know what I think. Y'all try it out. And they got a rag kit coming today. I'm installing, so yeah. Alright, y'all, I got it sprayed all over it. Said that it sit 3 to 4 minutes, so that's what I'm doing. Rinse it off and let y'all know how it does. Probably gonna have to touch up on some of the scratches and rust, like back here on this axle. The straight axle, there's a little bit of rust. I'm gonna fix it. And then I'm gonna do the front rack. But I'll let y'all know when I'm done. Alright, y'all, I would recommend. It took out some of my deeper scratches and the four-wheeler's shining good, especially in the wheels. This is it right here. This is the kind I got mud and dust, the big bottle. I still got a ton left. I would recommend it. Y'all go get y'all some. They sell it at Stage Pro Power Sports. Go check them out. I think I got my bottle for pretty cheap. I think cheaper than SC1. So yeah, y'all should go check it out. Peace. Well, not peace. The video ain't over, but I guess that's it for washing the four-wheeler. Alright, my wheels are nice and shiny now. Talking to the camera, buddy. I reckon. He's out here washing his truck. Look at him. I'm recording. I was just vlogging. There's Lizzie chilling over there. Come here. Oh, there's the ball. She wants me to throw the ball, I reckon. Here, come on. Go. She's running her out. She's my little receiver. Go. Lizzie. Never mind. She just said you gotta catch the ball in the air. We gotta work on that. What's up? Give me the ball. Yeah. Hey. You're down. We gotta run a new play. Come on. Alright, dude. Get a defense. Go. Go. Oh, they're both coming to Lizzie! Deuce! I'll throw it to Deuce. He'll catch it. Never mind. He's close. I think we might go dove hunting this afternoon. I'll record that for y'all, so yeah. The rag kit's supposed to come. I might put it on late this night. Just stay up the night doing that, so this video probably won't be up to be dove. Y'all, I'm about to go shoot birds. I hope this isn't a bad camera angle. It's on my hat. Because I want to wear a hat. Obviously, I'm going to shoot birds. Dad is washing his truck. Y'all will see that in my vlog. If you watch it, it'll be up later. Where's my 20 gauge? Oh, it's in the gun cabinet. I'm taking the little TriStar. In my vlog, I just watched my four-wheeler. I forgot we were shooting birds this afternoon. So it's already about to get dirty, which kind of sucks, but it'll be alright. Where's Mom? Is it down here? Nope, that's over and under. Did he put it in here? Oh wait, no, I know where it's at. Forgot we moved it to my room for my self-defense mechanism. I think I got buckshot in it, so I definitely need to take that out. Y'all gonna stay here. Oh, y'all just saw the Christmas pile. That's not for me. I promise, that's for my buddies. I'm trying to find it. There's 4 tins. I'll type. All right, there it is. Oh, it's jammed already. About time I clean it. just unloaded. I'm ready to roll. I'll see y'all in a minute, Deuce. Finna ride on out there. I don't want to ride my 4-wheeler, but oh well, it's gonna have to get dirty again. Say it, no. You ain't a bird dog. Oh, look at it. All pretty and clean. I shouldn't get it too dirty. I'm just riding it on the dirt road. So, I can always rinse it off again. I ain't gonna like it's gonna need pressure washing. I took off the safety labels. Those who follow me on TikTok will see that first. I'll reveal in the vlog I got some new little things that go on the wheels. The little pimp things. Because y'all know I'm about that lifestyle. I got something from Honda Boats coming that goes right there. The other two will probably just be blank. I think it'll look pretty sick. Oh yeah, it ain't gonna get dirty on the dirt road. I got something coming today. I don't know what video I'm uploading first, so I ain't gonna say it in this one. I don't want to reveal it. But I'm gonna head out here to the field. I'll let y'all know when I get there. So yeah. Where'd they go? I need to find them doves. Well, there's a couple of them out here in this tree. They try and land in this tree. So I can't let that happen. Should have brought Lizzie out here with me. She wanted to follow me out here. Should have gave her a chance. Alright, I gotta stop talking to y'all. Straight at me. Got that joker. Took 3 shots, but I got him. Alright, I think I found the right distance. One shot I shot straight up at him. I had to bend over. I'm about to go get him. Shot 7, hit 1. Ain't a real good ratio, but we'll get it up. Oh, these freaking sand spurs. That's why I didn't want to walk up here. Alright, let me find. Alright, there he is. Wait, that ain't him. How chill of me. Bird dog would be so great right about now. I see a snake. It might be a little cool for a snake, but it might not, so. Where did that joker go? Looked like he fell in the tree. There was feathers over there. Oh, there it is. Hope it's already dead. Yep, it's dead. Hit him. Alright, that's one for today. Mike! Come on, come hunt. There. What? Right there for me? There's a straight open lane right here. Just come to me and I'll tell you. Walk out here. And that was almost a perfect throw. I got blood on my foiler. I have to wash it again today. And there's one. Let him come to me. I get too far. I'll take him. I think I hit him. Where'd he go? There he is. He ain't dead yet. But he's still kicking. Never mind, he's dead. And that joker tried to land, but I wasn't allowing that. Shot him just before he got too low. Too far. I dropped him. That's for sure. That was a quick shot too. Bird number 3. Where'd he land? He landed somewhere in here. We gotta find him. Nowhere better than this, huh? I shot him right under the power line, so he's got to be somewhere over here. Here he is. Alright. Let's shoot the joker's head off. Nope, hit him in the shoulder. He ain't dead yet. Look at old buddy. There goes his tail. I'm not gonna grab his head. Oh. Shot that one backwards. That fell off. I got so vertical. Not a bullet check it out. Joker still ain't dead. Come here, buddy. Oh, he's dead now. That's for sure. Got a little bit of blood on me, but it'll be alright. Take him to sunflower with me. Get me some seeds. Joker knows he must not fly on my side of the tree. I'm gonna shoot him up. I think I won't. Who he takes me for, I don't know. I don't know who that sucker took me for. He best not to try to land on my block. Oh my god, the sand spurs. I guess it's karma for shooting him out the tree. Oh, what's over? Oh god. Where'd that joker go? I told him what was gonna happen. That sucker ain't dead yet. Hear him running. Look at him. Hate to shoot you again. Let him try and fly away. He's trying to get away from me. That's not to run from me. Briars. Before landing up in here on my block. Alright, y'all, rad relocates here. I got it from Mud Shark. I doubt it'll be installed by tonight. It's tricky. I'm gonna see if me and my dad can get it, but I don't know if we'll be able to, so I'm probably gonna have to wait on one of my buddies to help do the snorkel. Lizzie! Here! Lizzie! She's running in the field. One of my buddies that helped do the snorkel to help me do it, he said he would. So that'll probably be Monday. So yeah, so peace out. I'll see y'all in the next video. That'll be tomorrow. Probably won't be riding this unless everything's done, but yeah, whenever it is, I'll see y'all then. So peace for now.